Hey guys, the release then came finally for these Air Jordan 11 Space Jam lows, and I must say, bro, I was completely wrong, and I'm explaining to you guys what I'm talking about regarding these Air Jordan 11 Space Jam things. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. It's a great day. We got another crispy, clean OG colorway, but in a low top fashion, which is still pretty dope in my honest opinion. Before we get any further, man, if you are new to the channel, you rocking with the vibes, you rocking with the content, do your boy a favor and leave a huge like on the video. And if you are new here and you want to tap around, you want to stick around to the content, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. But again, man, a like go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and it shows me and keeps your boy motivated to show you guys these drops, man, that we've been getting, man, like the Space Jam 11 lows. We got some early heat coming in, and the content gonna keep rolling. You guys just keep supporting, man. And we are on the cusp, man. We're on the horizon right there by that 90,000 subscriber mark, man. It's super surreal, man. All the support, all the love you guys have been showing. I can't even put into words how grateful I am, man, to finally about to hit this 90K, bro. 100K right around the corner, man. Thanks to you guys. So just know it's gonna be a crazy giveaway at 100K. Might give away $1,000 to somebody. Might give away a couple pair of shoes all together to a couple different members of the Vintage Squad. So do not miss out. Be around for the channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, guys, here you have them, man. The Air Jordan 11 Space Jam lows. You guys should see the official colorway size tag. And a lot of people have been asking me what size should you go with. Me personally, I'm gonna say now my true size is 9.5 because everything I've been buying lately is 9.5 due to an injury I had on my ankle. So 9.5 fit perfect for me. So I'm gonna recommend you guys to go true to size because I feel like 9.5 is my personal size. So official colorway reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, Black Varsity, and Royal White. And you guys know how it come, man. Jordan, Air Jordan up top, and on the inside, the tissue paper, you dig like some carbon, like fiber looking paper material in here. And bam, man, here we have them, bro. They are finally here. They finally touched down. Probably one of the best sneakers to rock for this spring, summertime, man. You got your nice, clean pair of low tops. And a Jordan 1 low OG has been going crazy. You cannot go wrong with a clean, crispy pair of Air Jordan 11 lows. Not all that comfortable in my honest opinion, but it's still a nice classic silhouette. And this, of course, one of the best OG colorways, like I said. And I mentioned it earlier in the video. I said, man, I was completely wrong because I did initially think these would fly off the shelves. Thought they would sell out everywhere. And now I kind of see where it's a couple sizes sitting on sneakers. I went to my local mall, still a couple sizes sitting in different, different stores and stuff like that. And that's all to be expected again, man. We have a crazy upcoming week, man. We got a crazy upcoming week. We got J Balvin's. We got Future SB Dunk lows. We got the Travis Scott 1 lows. We got so much heat dropping next week and later on this month. So a lot of people putting some of these, OG colorways, some of these other releases on the back burner to kind of prioritize and, put much effort and more energy towards what they really truly want. Because, everybody want the hype stuff. Everybody want a J Balvin. Everybody want a Travis Scott. And these right here are already going for under retail. So a lot of people are like, yo, I can just pass up on it right now, reach back forward in the near future. But I always tell people to look at some of the past, releases and kind of time it up a little bit. Because now it seems like we're going to be getting a Space Jam high pretty soon, maybe next year or even the year after that. If they keep pushing back the gamma things, we could see a high version of these Space Jams, just given the fact that they just did it for the cool grades. They gave us cool grade 11 lows, then a year and a half later, they gave us the cool grade highs, and we're like, yo, didn't we just get the lows? And, a lot of people weren't complaining because everybody loves a pair of Jordan 11s, especially an OG colorway like these things right here, man. Super clean, I must say. The patent leather is super nice. Got the nice mesh on the upper with the Jumpman in that Space Jam Concord blue. And then flipping around to the heel, of course, you do have your 2-3 on the back, no 4-5 like the highs. And you also get the Concord or the Space Jam blue Jumpman on the back. Man, icy blue is just super crazy on these things. I did compare it to my Space Jam highs and an early unboxing that we did do. You guys can see this is how they originally came back in 2016 with the 4-5 on the back. That nice translucent blue outsole. But now, what you transition, how many years is that? 6-7 years since when they first dropped. The thing is just super yellow. They're not as icy as, of course, a new pair of Air Jordan 11. But I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys, man, who Who secured a pair of the Space Jam 11 lows? Was this a must cop? Did you need your new clean, crispy pair with that nice, clean carbon fiber plate down below? Let me know how your day went. Let me know if you secured them. Let me know all that good stuff down below in the comment section. You'd be surprised how many people engage with your comment down below. You might be helping somebody out. So let us know how your day went for these Space Jam things. And if you did miss it, man, yesterday I went live on Whatnot. We gave away a pair of Air Jordan 4 military blues. And the first show was a little rough at the beginning, but towards the end of the show, man, the show was seamless. It was smooth, nice engagement. I definitely will be more in the comments on the Whatnot stream. So make sure you join. You can get $15, man, $15 credit towards your account. And a lot of stuff that I was selling was going for like $3, $8. Somebody got a pair of Air Jordan 1 Royal Imagines for $62. Yeah, $62, huge steal. I said you can have them. We started the auctions off at $1, so we will have more shows here in the near future, selling some stuff out of my collection and trying to get some early things as well to entertain you guys and grabbing. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up the day, man. Did a quick little review, quick little comparison B-roll shots of the Space Jam highs, because for some reason I left them downstairs, but of course the B-roll will be busting for y'all, so you can check them out, see the comparison between the lows and highs. But yeah, man, it's a great day. We're gonna throw these things on feet. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss on any content that we do drop, and leave a huge like on today's video, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. All this being said, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Just